Alright guys, well, we're bored out of our minds, so we're gonna install the ratchet shifter on the truck real quick. Okay, so plan right now is to see where we'll take this shifter off and then probably pull the carpet back and then see exactly where we want to mount the shifter and then mount it real quick. I guess first things first is moving the shifter, so we'll pull this thing off right now and we're gonna pull the carpet back and then take this other shifter off to swap for the new sick race car shifter. So here, I'll pull that side of the carpet up. Okay, alright, so we got the shifter somewhat out. Right now we're just pulling the linkage off the shifter itself. And then I guess because I already had a 4L80 and this is a B&M shifter, the bracket's already on there. So I spent extra money for no reason, but I'm going to send that stuff back. So I guess literally it's just going to be mounting and installing the cable, and I'll have my new pitch and shifter. So we'll get back after we pull this thing out. I guess I bought a bunch of unnecessary shit because I bought this bracket, it already has it, and it already has the right shifter on because there was already a B&M shifter in there. I don't know why I didn't think about it. So this install got super easy. Basically all we have to do is mount the shifter, which we've kind of already figured out where we want it, throw in the cable, adjust the cable, that's it, we're done. Let's go mount the shifter. We've roughly figured out this is where we want it. So mount the drill the 4 holes, throw some washers in there to space it so it's solid, and then drill a hole, I think it's like 3 inches in front of the shifter so the cable has a spot to go through into the transmission. So let's do it, Ralph.
Alright, let's do it. Alright, so we pulled the carpet back real quick and then we marked it up, these little green dots, so we know where to screw it in. We're gonna drill it in and put everything in, we should be good.
We got the shifter mounted to the floor, not permanently, but we have the bolts through it, so we know where it's going to be. Next thing to do is we're going to attach the shifter linkage and then drill in the hole through the floor, basically snake it and attach it to the transmission, and hopefully adjustment isn't too much of a problem and we'll basically be done. And then obviously take it all apart to put the carpet back on. Nightmare. Alright guys, so it's been like a couple weeks since we really touched the truck. We kind of got it, I got it working basically, and then we filmed some footage, but the audio's all screwed up on it. But since we did that, Taylor did come over and we got the 69 grill on it now. Swap over the lights so it's actually like a 69 front end. We also got the rear bumper on, only 3 to 4 bolts. You can kind of see, I don't know, the frame's kind of screwed up on the truck, so it's definitely almost time to go short bed time. And we got the shifter in, so I'll just show you basically what we did. So you hook up the cable on the inside, and basically you kind of just hook it all up, and then you slowly adjust it. B&M did a better video on it. I'll link it in the description, but basically you start in low, and you push up and push up until you finally get it. So it took a little while to adjust, but we finally got it. So yeah, let's go get some driving footage of the shifter, which is the whole point in front of this. You ready, Rob?
I'm ready.
When I want to go drag racing, and now you won't go to reverse, which is always the worry on the other shifter. And I don't know, this is a lot more satisfying to slap this than it was to shift the other one. So yeah, let's go do some driving. The whole point of the shifter is so I can do this now. It's so much easier to drive it in D. I guess that's fuck, man. Some days I'm like, stick would be so much fun. Is it though?
Is it always having to clutch up?
I don't know. Honestly, I'll probably get a stick one day and I'll just be like, oh yeah, stick forever. awesome though. Like this is sick because like now I can go into neutral, rev it up, and then I can put it back in the drive, and I don't have to worry about getting it to reverse. Let's let the bus go past so don't fucking kill us. Alright guys, well I'm back in the truck. I just got home. We kind of spent the rest of the day working on Rafa's Nova. Damn thing is a nightmare. We're running into a couple problems, but you'll see that in a later episode. But yeah, I got the shifter in the truck. I'm in love with it. Thing is awesome. I've been like playing with it all the time since I've been driving it. So yeah, like if you're thinking about getting a ratchet shifter, 100% go do it. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. If you guys do me a favor, go please like and subscribe. Helps me a lot trying to keep growing and stuff. And yeah, I hope everyone's all good.